Since the beginning guidance came from the Most High beyond all name. He sent the prophets with pure light to guide lost hearts back to what's right. You see, Adam was formed from living clay, and Allah Azza wa Jal taught him the sacred way. He dwelt in paradise pure and true, and held to faith as all should do. Then Nuh alayhi salam called out in stormy night, with patient heart and steadfast might. The ark of faith would sail on wide, and through the flood, hope did not die. Hud alayhi salam stood in Ad, with voice so clear, worship Allah Azza wa Jal, He's ever near. They turned away and mocked his call. Then came the winds that crushed them all. Salih alayhi salam came to Thamud's land, a she-camel sent by Allah's command. He warned them gently, let her be. But they rebelled and faced the decree. The call of Tawheed never dies, passed from prophet, earth to skies. To the house that still stands tall, Islam is Allah's truth for all. Ibrahim alayhi salam smashed idols with flame and built the Kaaba in Allah's name. He left his kin for truth alone and trusted Allah Azza wa Jal, the Mighty One. Ismail alayhi salam, the son of sacrifice, taught us patience, calm, and to be nice. He bowed his neck in love so deep, but Allah Azza wa Jal sent mercy as a law to keep. Musa alayhi salam, whom Allah Azza wa Jal chose to speak, split the sea for the humble and meek. He stood before Fir'aun, proud and cold, but Allah Azza wa Jal's word was louder and bold. Harun alayhi salam stood with him in peace. With gentle voice, he sought release. Together they taught the hearts gone wrong. There is one true God, to him we belong. The call of Tawheed never dies, passed from prophet, earth to skies. To the house that still stands tall, Islam is Allah's truth for all. You see, Dawood alayhi salam, whose voice was sweet and strong, recited praise all day long. He ruled with justice, firm and wise, and turned all hearts to heaven's skies. Sulaiman alayhi salam ruled with power and grace, commanded jinn and winds and space. He never let pride steal his soul, a servant still in full control. And Yunus alayhi salam fled, but then he knew inside the whale repentance grew. He called, none but you, O Lord. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka, inni kuntu min al-zalimin. And mercy came by Allah's own word. Then Zakaria alayhi salam prayed with silent tone for a child to call his own. And Yahya alayhi salam came as a shining flame, a prophet true with noble name. Then Isa alayhi salam came with signs and grace, a word from heaven, light on the face. He preached the truth, no pride, no throne, and told of the one still yet unknown. Then came Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, the last and best. Sallu alayhi, the seal of prophets, heaven blessed. He taught the world with mercy's way and left us on the brightest day. The call of Tawheed never dies, passed from prophet, earth to skies. To the house that still stands tall, Islam is Allah's truth for all.